I'll be using the flat verge brush from the YangaBeauty Why We Call makeup brush set to define the brows. So if you're a learner, if you're a beginner in makeup, if you are a professional, this brush is good for you. In fact, all the brushes are suitable for everyone. So going in with a bit of my concealer. You can see how easy it is to define my brows. So I like to start off with the highest point of the brow area, just as I've done here, because this is what gives the shape. So it gives the definition of your brow look. So I blend out the concealer into the eyelid. Going in with the same definer brush, just to blend this out. And you can see the difference between when you have the flat edge brush defining your brows and without.